Good morning everyone, welcome along to the Quintrex Yellowfin Media Day. Today we're very excited to launch to the market 8 brand new models. That's 4 hardtop, 4 softtop, ranging from the baby, the fleet at 5.8 metres, 6.2 metres, 6.7 and then the big one 7.4. A couple of the really exciting things about these boats are 6mm plate bottoms, massive fuel tanks. The 740s are running a 250 litre tank, little 580 here at 135 litres. So we're looking forward to putting these through the paces here at Mooloolaba and introducing the Yellowfin to you.